This is the 1/2 inch drive, 1 and 7/16 inch socket from TEKTON, and you can see that it's a pretty good sized thing. And the specific use that I had for it was that I needed to take the prop off so that I could install this anode here. And the prop nut on the Mercury Bravo III, at least, is a 1 and 7/16 inch drive. The thing worked great. I haven't used it very much yet, but it obviously didn't break or anything like that. So far I am happy enough with it. And that is an anode that was replaced right there. And you can't quite see where the nut is because the new anode goes on a little bit differently, but basically you undo that bolt, and then there's a nut underneath there that is 1 and 7/16. But this worked well enough.